today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. Here I have with me a stack of books. Let me try and see if I can show you. There they are. This is about a week's worth of book mail that I was not able to get to because I was on my honeymoon actually in Maui. I just got married about a week ago. And it was very lovely. Thank you to everyone who said congratulations and reached out. I can't wait to share pictures and some more details about that when I get the photos back from the photographer. But anyways, I wanted to take you through a little unboxing because it's always super fun. And I am just as surprised because I don't really know. Usually I kind of have an idea of what's coming in, but I have completely forgotten after a week of swimming and everything. So let's check them out. Please bear with me while I open the boxes. Sometimes I have a little bit of difficulty getting them open, but it'll all work out. I have my handy scissors here, and very quick story about these scissors. They are actually rose shears. So they're specifically made for cutting roses, and my husband, now I get to say that, actually got them for me when I got accepted to my undergrad college, Scripps College, because they are known for their rose garden. So he got me a pair of rose shears because you're allowed to go and cut the roses there and keep them for yourself and make vases and bouquets. Now, let's get headed on to the books, and I have a big box here first, so let's check it out. Hatchet is usually from Quarto Kids, but I don't know, sometimes it's not. So, this is a heavy one as well, so we are gonna take a look and see. Let me see if I can kind of go like this, and maybe you can see as I do it. It's a little heavy with the camera. Okay. Well, I'm going to try it out and see if I can get it open. Nope, the side isn't going to work. See, that's what I said. Bear with me a bit. But, friends, I hope that you are having a great summer yourselves. Oh, another cool thing about these scissors is that they come unattached, so it's easy to open boxes. Anyways, I hope that you have had a great summer yourselves. I know some of you might be starting school soon. Oh my friends, take a look at this. I just got it open and we have a whole treasure trove of books. There are so many books in here. I am very excited. Let's see who these are from. These are actually from Chronicle Kids books. I am so excited. So I've collaborated with them in the past before, but I hadn't for a while, and then I reached out again, and now we have a full box of books. So let's go ahead and check it out. Over and Under the Canyon. These books are beautiful. I actually don't own one of the ones in these series, so I'm very excited about this one. But it's really cool because it tells you about like what's above ground and then gives you a peek about what's going on below the ground at the same time, which is really cool. And this one's about In the Canyon. Beautiful book. There's also Over and Under the Pond, Over and Under the Snow, so can't wait for that one. And again, if there's any books that you want more details about, just let me know and I'll be sure to individually post about them, solo posts, or share more. The Fox and the Forest Fire. Oh man, there's actually a huge forest fire going on in California right now, in Northern California. So super important to start doing some environmental action, right? Stop that climate change. But this also looks beautiful and something that we really need to be reading about and sharing with kids about how to stop or help prevent forest fires. So another beautiful one. Let's see. Oh, Farm Lullaby. Well, this looks precious, doesn't it? That looks so cute. Little lullaby books. I've been doing community story times. I don't know if you've seen, and we are loving music books. The kids like to get musical instruments and play while they read books. We actually did a sing-along to The Poop Song, which is also by Chronicle Kids. So that one was really fun. Let's see what else we got. Charlie and Mouse, Lost and Found. Oh, this looks super cute. Let's see. This is, oh, it's like a little early reader. Look at that. It has the chapter book contents in here. Or chapters, yeah. And a little illustrations as well. Chapter titles. This would be perfect for early readers. Oh my goodness, these are super cute. Oh, look, there's another one. Barku's the Most Fun. Let me see if this is the same format because I know a lot of friends ask for, these early beginning readers. Oh, and it is so cute, friends. The perfect balance of words and pictures. My favorite. Great. So I will actually be teaching 4th grade this upcoming year, but of course, picture books can be used at all grade levels. And of course, during story times, I like to share all different kinds of books. So, Oh, Mr. Lion's New Hair by Britta Teckentrup. Oh my gosh, she's amazing. So I have not seen this one yet. And oh my gosh, look at all these funny hairstyles. It's super cute. Of course, it has like the little cutout right here. So the lion's head is there. Oh, so funny. I can imagine so many fun projects you could do where you could have the kid like design the mane of the lion and see what they come up with. Super cute. One. Oh, ooh, the other half of Happy. So let's see. This is one half Guatemalan, one half American. When her cousins moved to town, it suddenly feels like her dad is ashamed that she doesn't know about her family's heritage. Oh, I'm wondering what age level this is for. I'm going to check it out. Maybe I could do it as a read aloud for my 4th grader this year, and we'll see. This looks beautiful, though. Ooh, more chapter books. Great. Ooh, Benny and the Ghost in the Machine. The Kids Under the Stairs. This looks really cool. And, oh, it's written in verse, which is pretty awesome as well. I actually never really liked books written in verse. I don't know how you feel about them, but then I read Starfish, and that one was in verse, and I actually really liked it. So now I'm not as biased against it. I don't know what you would call it, but now I don't mind reading them, and I'm glad because they're actually really good. Oh, I think this is a yes. Oh, graphic novel, but kind of interesting. Look how it's set up. It's not like the panels. It's kind of like these pages with speech bubbles. Oh, that is really cool. This is called Astronauts. Huh. This is by John Perfecska. Wine Perfect? I think they crossed out their names, so I'm not really sure. I think that's part of the joke of the book. But it looks super cool for mutant animals. If you have astronaut mutant animal friends, little learners, and they'll love this. My actually little learner loves these graphic novel things, so this will be really fun. Oh my goodness, there's still more in this one. So same box. My friends might have to make 2 separate videos for this, but let's see. Inside Cat. Oh, wow. Look at those cat eyes. I don't know. Are you a cat person or a dog person? I like dogs. Well, I mean, I've only ever had dogs. I've never had a cat. But I also know some friends who love their cat. And oh my gosh, look at this illustration of the cat. I love that. That is so funny. This is so cute. So Inside Cat. I'm wondering if Inside Cat like accidentally makes her way outside one time. Oh, looks like they're looking out through the window. Such cute pictures. Inside Cat. Okay. A board book here, Cub Story. Oh, that looks so cute. That is adorable. Look at those pictures. I love board books for the littles, and can't wait to have littles of my own one day. Now that we're married, I guess we can have kids. Not that you need to be married to have kids. You absolutely do not. That is not necessary. It is in the plan for us. So this one looks really cute. Looks like a keeper. I've been like hoarding all the board books for when we have our own little child. So this one looks really sweet about emotions, maybe. And then this is a great, another, not as early reader as the other ones, but it seems like it's a beginning chapter book about 2 second grade best friends. Great for that age level. This one looks really fun about kind of perspective. What do you see? Do you see like, let me show you an example. Do you see circle over the berry, or is the berry under the circle? Different ways to view things. So really fun about perspective. Get kids talking. That seems fun. Let's see. Oh my goodness. And this is a puzzle. So this is actually a 100-piece puzzle of Mercury, the planet. Space is so fascinating, especially with that rover on Mars recently, but we actually did this whole space unit last week, or not last week, last school year, and it was really fun. The kids loved it, so I think they'd really like this puzzle, and it seems kind of perfect amount of pieces, 100 pieces, and about Mercury. Oh, this looks fun. Let's see what else we got. Oh my goodness, Spooky, Sleuth, and Solve. Oh, I have been getting so many fun Halloween books, my friends. I can't wait to start sharing some Halloween posts. I know it's a little bit early. I'll probably wait until like end of September. What do you think? When do you think is a good time to start posting for Halloween? Anyways, this book looks very fun. One of those Sleuth and Solve ones. So you kind of have to like read the book and solve the mystery in it. Super interactive. Great for some older readers. Can be done independently or in groups or together. Very excited for that one. And let's see, I think this is the last one. That was a whole stack in that box. Oh, the ultimate book of animals. Nonfiction books are so fun. More than 50 flaps, pop-ups, pull tabs, and more. I would show you a sneak peek, except you have to open it. So it's sealed. But you can take a look at the back. Look at that. Oh, it looks like the thing pops up, like the mouth of the wolf, and then there's these flaps you can open up. I can't wait to open up this one, and maybe I'll do a solo post about it. So that, my friends, is just the first box, and let's see if I can, I'm going to try to squeeze in a few more in this video, and if I don't do all of them, then I will give you video round 2. unboxing. Okay, but that was really fun. So all of these ones are from Chronicle Kids Books. Awesome. Can't wait to share more about those. We have, just a smaller package here from Page Street Kids. I also really like their work. They have some of my favorites. One of them is like the little blue cottage, and it's adorable summer one about this little girl who returns to this blue cottage. And let's see what we have here. Ooh, Clovis keeps his cool. This one looks good. Clovis is a bull, not a bully, but can he manage his temper? A great SEL book for temper. I could sometimes use this too. Sometimes I don't have a bad temper, but you know, sometimes for people it's a little hard to control your emotions if you get frustrated. Very fun. Let me give you a quick little flip through sneak peek of this one from Page Street Kids. Look at all of that. Looks like they have great illustrations, and oh my, that looks exciting. I won't give it away though. Let's see. This is also a solo package from Penguin Random House. And I also just recently started collaborating with them, and I'm so glad because they have amazing books. These packages, I don't know about you, but they're always hard for me to open. Sometimes they have that little flap, I realize, but this one doesn't really seem to. So I'm doing my best, and here we go. Curious to know what publishers you really love, or who you really love. Oh, it's a little stuck right here. Got it. Oh my gosh, look at that. Ergo. Oh my goodness, and I love this color. Yellow is one of my favorites. So this like bright golden yellow is beautiful. Ergo wakes up and sets off to see the world. She discovers everything and she thinks, am I the world? Oh, this one seems so precious. Here she is. She thinks she's the world because she's in the egg, and then what happens? I can't wait to read this one more and get more into this one. Definitely want to check out. And look at that beautiful, bright, vibrant cover. Okay, I think I'm going to do a few more solo ones and then go ahead and pause for this part 1 of the unboxing. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, from Button Books. They're also super cool. Oh my, I have been super excited for this one. Science School, 35 Awesome STEM Experiments to Try at Home. My little learners adore science, and these science books are so helpful, especially with homeschooling. Just like think of different ideas and projects. I have a whole stack of them, and art books too. And Button Books actually does a great job with these kinds of activity books. So I can't wait to try some experiments from here. Looks like they have all sorts of things like making a lava lamp, color changing coins. I just saw a picture of popcorn here, which makes me super curious. Because I adore popcorn, like that whiz bang popcorn. Make your own delicious popcorn. Definitely going to do that one because popcorn is my favorite thing. Okay, let's do this one next. Let's see what we got. This packaging is very easy to open. These are from, let's see. I'm not sure. So this is the first one. It's the Source of Musical Instruments. Love music. I actually am just learning to play the ukulele. Oh, by Albatros from Publishing Spotlight. They're a new publishing company, or at least that's just started with Pub Spotlight with some great books. But anyways, I just started playing the ukulele and super interested in music. This one looks really cool. I'm sorry. I'm flipping through it, but you want to see too, so there you go. That one looks great. Learning about the garden with Sleeping Beauty. So it's a unique mix of encyclopedia and fairy tale. How cool is that? You're going to learn stuff through a fairy tale. What? This is amazing. And look at that, my friends. Each page. Seems like the pages, each page opens up like that. What? This is incredible. Look at that. Here's the next page, and then flip it open and learn fairy tale encyclopedia mix. Definitely gonna feature these. Discovering the Underground with Snow White. You know how they like went mining the dwarfs? Look at that. Fairy tale and then encyclopedia. Amazing. Okay. Well, I'm going to go ahead and pause here for this first unboxing one, and we'll do part 2 next. But my friends, if there's any of these titles that are super interesting to you, let me know what you're interested to see more of, or share your own reading recommendations with me. I'm always looking for more books. All right. Well, until next time, happy reading.